Will Litecoin make me rich? That is probably the first question you ask yourself when looking to invest in Litecoin. Well, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, there are never really guarantees. So, whether or not Litecoin will make you rich depends on a number of factors such as price directions, your investment or trading strategy, general market behavior, and how much money you are willing to put into the investment. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Secrets, a channel where we give daily updates about crypto, as we have announced a monthly giveaway of your favorite coins, so hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already to participate in the giveaway, and don't forget to click the bell icon and share your views with us in the comment section below. Watch to the end for more chances to win the huge amount of your favorite coin. Unlike inflationary coins like Dogecoin, Litecoin's supply is capped at 84 million coins, which is 4 times more than that of Bitcoin. This means that the LTC price has the potential to grow rapidly. This is good news, especially if you plan to buy now and hold for some time or several years to come. Litecoin's unabated race to all-time highs started in the last quarter of 2020 when the Litecoin Foundation announced plans to introduce the Mimblewimble privacy upgrade to the Lieutenant Kernel network. The announcement coincided with the planned launch of the LTC-only Visa debit card and the inclusion of LTC on digital currencies you can buy with your PayPal account. These created enough momentum to thrust LTC prices above the $150 resistance level, and the ongoing crypto market helped push it further up and close to its all-time high of $375 set in December 2017. Crypto experts from different price prediction websites have concluded that Litecoin will most likely reach $500 before the end of the bull run. A considerable number are also convinced that the 10th largest cryptocurrency may reach $1,000 by the end of the year. More optimistic investors and crypto analysts have come up with more optimistic Litecoin price predictions. They are confident that Litecoin prices will have shot to between $1,000 and $10,000 within the next 5 years. However, like most cryptocurrencies, Litecoin has had a turbulent past, and the price can take on a surprising twist at any time. The coin is currently trading at around $200 and has had fairly positive growth for the past year. So, if you buy now and the price keeps growing, Litecoin could make you rich, keeping in mind the factors we mentioned above. Litecoin price has a great potential of steadily rising in the future and making its medium to long-term investors super rich. To a large extent because, even after making it to the top 10 cryptocurrencies and amassing a market cap that exceeds $23 billion, it is still hugely undervalued. Will Litecoin eventually reach $1,000? As we mentioned, one of the ways Litecoin LTC can make you rich is if the price were to grow rapidly for the next few years, say by 2022 or even late 2021. That is why most people, especially those who want to invest in Litecoin, keep wondering if the coin will eventually reach $1,000. This is a hefty milestone considering that the coin is currently playing around the $200 mark. However, the LTC altcoin has previously shown great potential to grow and attain new all-time highs within a short period of time. The Lieutenant Kernel coin's price recently dropped following Bitcoin's crash but is slowly recovering. And considering that its recent ATH is above $400, we think that Litecoin has a really good chance of hitting $1,000 in the next 2 years. Most of Litecoin's staunch supporters believe that Lieutenant Kernel will reach $1,000 by the end of the year. However, that hope has slightly dwindled after Bitcoin's recent crash that also caused other coins to drop. But all is not lost. Litecoin has already shown good signs of rebounding and might soon be shooting past its current ATH. Of course, when it comes to predictions, we see a lot of differences. Some analysts believe that Litecoin will reach $1,000 as early as next year, while others are confident it won't happen even in the next 5 years. Leading the bullish pack is Coin Price Forecast, which predicts that Lieutenant Kernel will reach $1,000 by mid-2024 and grow gradually until 2028, when it jumps to $2,000. Digital Coin Price, which initially predicted that Litecoin would reach $1,000 by late 2027 or early 2028, has now pushed it to early 2030. This update probably came after the recent dip that saw LTC dropping by almost half its current ATH. Wallet investor might also be expecting Litecoin to reach $1,000 by 2030, given that its predictions for the next 5 years are closely similar to those of Digital Coin Price. Where will Litecoin be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, we can expect Litecoin to be trading above $500 according to most price predictions. For a cryptocurrency, this is a long time to give an accurate prediction, especially for an asset as volatile as Lieutenant Colonel. Having said that, we see a generally positive outlook for the next 5 years from most price analysts. For instance, Wallet Investor predicts that Litecoin will be trading at around $561 per coin by the end of 2026. This is a fairly bullish prediction and in line with what most of the other analysts are saying. According to Wallet Investor, Litecoin will start off 2026 at around $539.80 and might go as high as $644 per coin. There won't be many fluctuations throughout the year, but the coin will come close to $600 somewhere in December. Long Forecast ends its prediction in June 2025, where it says Lieutenant Colonel will close the year at around $270. Judging by the current growth, this is a bit on the bearish side as Litecoin Lieutenant Colonel has already gone above this mark. Coin Price Forecast brings a fresh breath of hope with its Litecoin prediction of $1,600 by the end of 2026. According to the site, Litecoin Lieutenant Colonel will touch the $1,000 milestone for the first time in mid-2024 and close 2025 at around $1,330. Where will Litecoin be in 10 years? Litecoin's growth trajectory is closely similar to that of Bitcoin, and there is a good chance that this might be the same case 10 years from now. So, if you are looking to HODL and wondering what Litecoin will be worth 10 years from now, the short answer is, probably much more than now. 10 years is a pretty long day to give a close prediction. A lot of things will happen along the way that will either drop or boost Litecoin's price. Otherwise, most price analysts believe that Litecoin will probably be above $1,000 by 2030 and 2031. Coin Price Forecast is pretty bullish and believes that Litecoin will end 2031 at $2,579 after closing 2030 at $2,328. CoinSwitch brings this number slightly down and predicts that Litecoin Lieutenant Colonel will be worth at least $2,000 by 2031. Again, this is an indication that Lieutenant Colonel might break the $2,000 milestone in the next 10 years. All in all, Litecoin will soon look up after the current setback. So, if you buy now and hold, you can expect some good returns after 10 years. Will Litecoin ever go up? Most crypto analysts and investors are convinced that Litecoin is massively undervalued and will soon price correct upwards. While relying on both technical and fundamental analysis tools, these analysts are optimistic that Litecoin will set a new all-time high before the end of the current price rally and push towards $1,000. Digital coin price that uses technical analysis to predict crypto prices has, for instance, suggested that Litecoin may reach $509.04 before the end of the year. Coin price forecast analysts are a tad more optimistic as they expect Litecoin prices to reach $500 before June 2021 and race towards $949 before the end of the year. A Litecoin believer and longtime investor, Julio_LTC2021, on Twitter, is even more optimistic about LTC's future price action. He likens the current LTC price rally to the 2017 crypto market rally and predicts that the Bitcoin fork may be trading at between $2,400 and $4,000 before December 2021. Prime XBT, however, carries the day for the most optimistic price prediction. Crypto experts on the platform believe that Litecoin prices will rise to $1,250 before the end of the year, reach $10,000 by 2025, and peak at $13,000 in the run. Some of the factors that these experts believe will kick off a radical Litecoin price jump include mass adoption of LTC across the globe, the current crypto market rally, Bitcoin's ineffectiveness, and high transaction fees with extended wait time. Is Litecoin a good long-term investment? Even though the price is currently volatile, Litecoin seems to be set for a bright future. We can expect a major breakout as soon as next year, and many of the current investors will enjoy enviable returns. So, generally, Litecoin is a good investment, whether you are holding or actively trading. The coin has maintained its position among the top cryptocurrencies globally. And while it is not growing as fast as Bitcoin, it is still a go-to option if you don't have enough money to put into Bitcoin. Litecoin closely follows Bitcoin's trajectory, so we can expect it to grow with the leader. With the current market cap of over $14 billion, this no doubt one of the safest investments, especially for noob investors. Just like Bitcoin, Lieutenant Colonel is recording quick mainstream adoption, especially when it comes to cheap cross-border transactions. There are many merchants around the world who now accept LTC for payments without forgetting big financial institutions like PayPal and Visa. The fact that Bitcoin fees are skyrocketing while its block time reduces makes Litecoin not only a faster but also cheaper option. All these upsides prove that Litecoin can be a highly profitable long-term investment, and maybe you should start taking it seriously. With time, as the coin grows and gets adopted by more merchants and financial institutions, Litecoin could actually make you rich. Conclusion: should I buy Litecoin? When it comes to cryptocurrencies, there are no absolutes. So, while Litecoin seems like a promising investment asset, there is no guarantee that it will make you rich. However, if you play your cards right and understand what you are doing, you might reap big benefits. Before you buy, do your own research, work with an expert, especially if you are trading, study the market and make sure that you don't invest more than you can afford to lose. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. If yes, please hit the subscribe button to get such latest information about your favorite crypto coin first. What do you think about the Litecoin price? Share your views in the comments down below. Don't forget to click the bell icon and participate in the giveaway, and thanks for watching.